Nisam Bulavinaka, Talufalava Malulele, Kia ora koutou. It's Kia ora. It is absolutely wonderful for us to be able to be here. And can I start by acknowledging the Fijian government for the hospitable welcome, the beautiful Sepuloni, for welcoming us in a culturally appropriate way that is unique to only Fiji. To both Deputy Prime Ministers, thank you for being here tonight. I know that also there are a number of Fijian ministers and members of Parliament, the Leader of the Opposition in the room, and so can I acknowledge each and every one of you. Also acknowledging my parliamentary and ministerial colleagues that have travelled here as well. My good friend, Minister for Pacific Peoples, Barbara Edmonds. Many people know her as Samoan, but when we went to the Solomon Islands, we found out she's got a Solomon Islands great-grandfather. And acknowledging a minister with a very important portfolio, the Minister for Climate Change, Minister James Shaw. Kia ora. And we also have members of Parliament. Tianao is here from the Green Party. We have Jenny Salesa from the Labour Party, and we have Nicole. Where is Nicole? We have Nicole from the ACT Party. That is the beauty of these missions. They are cross-parliamentarian. We bring MPs so that we can engage with the Pacific and work with the Pacific to pursue our common objectives. So you have a range of members of Parliament here tonight. Charlotte, thank you for welcoming us into your home and acknowledging Charlotte as our High Commissioner for the fantastic job that Charlotte has done. I've known her over the course of many years in different roles that she's held and always appreciated the very sound, insightful advice that you have provided, Charlotte. I just want to say the purpose of this mission is really to reconnect. It is about our shared challenges and how we work together. It is about resilience and building that, and it is about partnership. Fiji is incredibly important to New Zealand. The Pacific region is New Zealand's priority with regards to our foreign affairs program and all of the work that we do. I just get to have the privilege of being the Associate Minister for Foreign Affairs with responsibility for the Pacific region. Very important to our nation, but of course very important to me personally, given that I just happen to be Samoan Tongan as well. And to make the relationship even stronger, I married a Fijian man. And so we are looking forward to all of the meetings that we have over the course of the next 24 hours. We're looking forward to talking to as many of you as possible in this room whilst we're here. We're looking forward to talking about climate change, talking about the impacts of global inflation, talking about our fisheries, talking about everything that matters to the Pacific region. But mostly what we're looking forward to is strengthening the relationships that already existed between Aotearoa and Fiji, making it even stronger, and forming more lifelong friends as we head off tomorrow to Tonga and then back to Aotearoa. So can I thank you all for coming out tonight. Whawhai lava ma lo aupito, kia ora koutou, and I will call the choir that came with me.